So, what is TMUX? TMUX, also known as Terminal Multiplexer, is a powerful command line tool that allows you to create multiple terminal sessions within a single window. By leveraging TMUX in your EvilGoPhish setup, you ensure that it is running in the background after you disconnect from SSH, even in the face of network interruptions or disconnections. This is important as it keeps your sessions persistent and ensures that no data is lost throughout the duration of a campaign. When running phishing simulations with EvilGoPhish, TMUX is an essential tool for maintaining your sessions. Here's why it's recommended. Starting with the main reason, TMUX ensures that your campaigns run without interruption. Whether you disconnect from SSH or close the terminal, TMUX keeps the server active, allowing your campaigns to continue undisturbed. For server management, TMUX offers a unified interface to handle both GoPhish and Evilginx servers. This integration makes it more straightforward to control and oversee your campaigns. And regarding remote administration, it provides stability. If your SSH session ends unexpectedly, the servers persist within the TMUX session. You can later reestablish the connection and resume administration seamlessly, ensuring consistent monitoring and control of your campaigns.